Camera is picking up the color right. A couple little imperfections. I don't really think they're going to be a problem. Well, that one. This one's a problem. I'll have to fix that. But there's a gradation, and it streaks. This is light, this is brown, this is light green. It graduates over to a darker green. I'll probably work on this and try to get the gradations a little smoother. Maybe make this even a little lighter right along the mud. I may have to repaint the mud. It's taken quite a bit of overspray. That's all minor stuff. Can't pass over a painting once and get it right. It usually takes a few times. Well, we'll see how it turns out. It's hard to say, as I really don't know how this Liquitex behaves. I've used Liquitex for years to thin acrylic paints, but I've never used it as a varnish before. And we'll see how it comes out. It may take more than one coat. Well, it'd be interesting to see what happens. So I'm gonna shut down for tonight and let it sit and see what it looks like in the morning. I'll bring you back then. Bye for now. Well, I waited for my matte medium, the ridges representing waves, to dry overnight, and they mostly did, but they were still a little light white colored, so I airbrushed them earlier to sort of, I'm gonna brush in a little white water in spots to give it a little movement. I've already done some over here. This is kind of the final step in completing my vision for the harbor. Amazing what a little white can do. The eye knows just what it means. I just have some on a paper towel. I just put a little splooge of white there. I'm kind of semi-dry brushing along the leading edge of the ridges. If it's not glossy enough when it's done, I can always come back and clear coat it. I do have a tendency to overdo things, so I'm probably overdoing this, but it's so fun. This is a graining brush. I decided to try it because I didn't want any solid lines. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe and hit the little bell so you'll get notifications when I upload a new video. Also, if you like the video, would you please tickle the thumbs up? I really appreciate it. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. I think that's about it.